Hi, I'm Steve Prescott, owner-broker, REMAX Capital Properties, coming to you with Cheyenne Real Estate Financial Friday Tip. So today we're going to talk about what documentation do you need to take to your lender and get pre-qualified for a mortgage. So you're going to want to have your pay stubs or know what your monthly take-home pay is or annual, depending on how it's figured. You're going to want to have in your mind or on paper your monthly obligations that you have, and those aren't utilities, but those are more of a revolving credit, car loans, credit cards, those sort of things, maybe student loans, those sort of things that you have out there. If you need some assistance in contacting a lender, we certainly have a vast field of lenders that we can help you with that are fantastic. But you're going to have a conversation with this lender, you're going to bring all those documents, and they're going to be able to send you out the door with a pre-qualification letter. And that's kind of like a big shopping spree at that point. You're able to go out and start looking at homes of what your comfort level is with your budget. So once you get all those documents to your lender, they're going to send you out the door with the pre-qualification letter. You're going to be able to go out home shopping, and that's going to be a really fun time. So hopefully that tip was helpful for you this Friday. Have a good weekend.